The AUMOX PRO 28-port switch offers an impressive total of 28 gigabit ports, including 24 Power over Ethernet ports and 2 uplink gigabit ports, ensuring reliable data transmission. Equipped with a robust 400-watt Power over Ethernet capability, each port on this switch can deliver up to 30 watts, making it ideal for powering a range of devices over a single cable. Installation is a breeze, with its plug-and-play design requiring no additional configuration, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. The switch's industrial-grade fans are designed for efficient heat dissipation, reducing noise and enhancing stability, even in various temperature environments. A unique one-key virtual local area network mode enhances network security by isolating ports 1 to 24 from each other, while still allowing communication with ports 25 and 26. Housed in a durable metal case, the AUMOX PRO switch is designed to withstand rigorous conditions, ensuring longevity and dependable performance.